This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Fully open the rear door or tailgate. Undo the plastic nut. Carefully prise the light cluster rearwards to release the two outer retaining lugs. Squeeze together the clips and detach the bulb holder assembly from the light cluster. Press in and rotate the relevant bulb anti-clockwise to remove it. The pins on most bayonet pin bulbs are offset. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Align the pins of the bulb with the slots in the bulb holder. Then insert it and twist it clockwise to secure. Press the bulb holder assembly firmly into the light cluster, ensuring the clips engage. Maneuver the light into position, then press it firmly into place. Refit and securely tighten the plastic retaining nut.